Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet S10, price $9,000. This truck comes with a manual transmission and a striking silver exterior complemented by a bold red interior. The truck has undergone a complete transformation with brand new paint, a refreshed interior, updated suspension, new brakes, and a fully built motor with a custom exhaust. Virtually everything has been replaced or upgraded. Under the hood, it has been V8 swapped with a 305 SBC engine, enhanced with 350 Vortec heads, an MSD distributor, an Edelbrock carburetor, and steel shim head gaskets. Power is paired with an NV3500 5-speed manual transmission, 3.47 gears, and Caltrax bars, making it both responsive and reliable. Recently passing a fresh Virginia inspection, the truck even completed a 200-mile round trip without any issues, showcasing its performance and dependability. Number 2. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It shows 161,000 miles on the odometer, but under the hood sits a brand new motor, giving the next owner complete confidence with zero mechanical worries. Paired with an automatic transmission and powered by gasoline, it delivers a smooth and dependable ride that stays true to the Silverado's reputation. The exterior has been freshly repainted in a bold, glossy red that shines like new, while the interior is finished in sleek black for a clean and timeless look. This striking combination enhances the truck's already iconic appeal. With its strong presence, fresh updates, and timeless design, this truck is ready not just to hit the road, but to turn heads everywhere it goes. Number 3. 1985 Ford F250, price $7,000, comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline with a strong V8 engine. The truck has an off-white exterior paired with a brown interior, showing classic styling that has been well preserved over the years. While the chassis has covered 200,000 miles, the engine was recently rebuilt and has only about 5,000 miles on it, ensuring dependable performance. The body has been freshly repainted and shows no rust, while the frame only has light surface rust that is considered normal for its age. The seats are in very good condition, with no damage to the upholstery, adding comfort to its rugged character. It is also equipped with 2 fuel tanks, one fully operational and the other in need of cleaning or replacement. Additional maintenance has been taken care of, including new brake pads and drums, making it ready for the road. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1972 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. It has approximately 125,000 miles on it and runs on a V8 350 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission featuring a granny gear. It's a 2WD truck with a rear leaf spring suspension, 5 lug wheels, and disc brakes, making it a reliable and solid driver. The exterior is finished in orange, complemented by a black interior, and it uses gasoline as its fuel. Around the year 2000, the stock 307 engine was replaced with a 350, and it also received a fresh paint job. Since then, it has reportedly been driven only about 25,000 miles. Having sat for a few years before being acquired, it has since been refreshed with a new battery, alternator, oil change, and air filter. Several upgrades and modifications have been made, including the installation of Astrovan wheels with new white walls and caps, as well as an axle flip in the rear with a bolt-in C-notch and shock extenders. The front end features airbags with Schrader valves for manual filling and shock extenders, along with new shocks all around for improved ride quality. Inside, the truck has been fitted with a new seat cover and dash pad, while a new tonneau cover adds practicality. It also comes with 1972 Washington plates. Number 5. 1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,950, shows 198,000 miles on the odometer and is paired with a manual transmission. The truck is finished in a deep burgundy exterior complemented by a beige interior, and it runs on gasoline with a powerful 454 engine under the hood. Despite its mileage, it delivers one of the smoothest rides at highway speeds, comfortably holding steady even at 80 miles per hour. The motor runs strong and has been carefully maintained over the years, giving confidence to its next owner. Inside, it offers modern conveniences for its era, including power windows and locks, along with a Pioneer stereo deck for upgraded audio. A tow package is also equipped, adding utility for hauling or work use. Number 6. 1971 Ford F250, price $8,500, solid and well-built truck finished in a striking yellow exterior with a matching yellow interior. Powered by a Ford 360 engine and running on gasoline, it features an automatic transmission and continues to run and drive without issue. The truck is equipped with a heavy-duty frame, a Dana 60 rear axle, front disc brakes, and factory-installed power steering, making it both reliable and capable. Even the factory radio remains in working condition. With its recently paid registration, this classic F250 stands out as a dependable truck that not only drives great but also carries the character and durability that Ford built into their heavy-duty pickups of the era. Number 7. 1969 Ford F250, price $10,000, painted in a striking yellow exterior with a blue interior. It features a comfortable bench seat with no tiers, complemented by a new visor that matches the chrome finish of the West Coast style mirrors. Equipped with a long bed, this truck is not only practical but also well-suited for heavy-duty tasks. It runs on gasoline and is powered by its original 360 V8 engine paired with the original automatic transmission, maintaining rear-wheel drive performance. The current owner makes sure to keep it in motion, letting the fluids circulate and often using it for yard work. Regular oil changes are performed to ensure the truck continues running smoothly. With its well-preserved mechanics and thoughtful care, this F250 remains both functional and true to its vintage heritage. Number 8. 1970 Ford F250, price $4,900. This truck is a classic 4x4 pickup that carries a 360 engine, which can be brought to life with a temporary gas can, battery, and hot wire. Despite its age, the truck still maintains a solid body and frame, showing the toughness and reliability that these models are known for. It comes with a clean title already in the owner's name, making the transfer process smooth and hassle-free. With its strong foundation and iconic vintage appeal, this F250 offers an excellent opportunity for restoration or for anyone who appreciates the durability and character of a true classic workhorse. Number 9. 1979 Ford F150, price $3,700. It has approximately 50,000 miles on it and comes with a manual transmission. The exterior is finished in a deep burgundy color, while the interior is black, giving it a classic and timeless look. The truck starts and drives without issue. Under the hood, it features a rebuilt V8 engine equipped with headers, paired with a Mustang standard transmission. It comes with an occasional invoice and customs paperwork. The current owner originally intended to register it as an American vehicle, repaint it, and carry out further modifications, but plans have since changed. It only needs a battery to get going, and the seller has one available for testing. Number 10. 1979 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,000. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a matching numbers 400 small block Chevy paired with a 400 turbo all-wheel drive system, though it does not include front lockers. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck runs on gasoline and has been well preserved by its second owner. It features a locking 14-bolt rear end, dual fuel tanks, and a working factory stereo. The truck also retains all of its original factory equipment, including the rims, tires, and additional parts neatly stored in the toolbox. Functionality is a strong point, with all lights working properly, locking doors, and a recently installed new battery ensuring reliability.